welcome to a Drexel University English Language Center presentation on grammar and sentence structure. My name is Bill Albertson, and today I am going to talk about comma splices, run-ons, and fragments. Before we begin, you might find it easier to hear this presentation if you use headphones. In addition, find the video pause button and use it whenever you need more time to read the slides. By the end of this module, you should be able to identify comma splices, run-ons, and fragments, and edit sentences to avoid comma splices, run-ons, and fragments. As you're writing, you need to watch out. Comma splices, run-ons, and fragments are common errors, and in order for your sentences to be grammatically correct, you need to be very careful to avoid these problems. Let's take a closer look at each of these types of errors. Comma splices are two independent clauses connected with only a comma. Run-ons are independent clauses that have no connecting punctuation or words, and fragments are dependent clauses in a sentence with no independent clauses. Let's start by taking a closer look at comma splices. One example is Bobby sang a song, comma, he sings very well. Notice that in this sentence we have two independent clauses and they are connected by only a comma. How do we fix this problem? We could add a coordinating conjunction and write Bobby sang a song, comma, and he sings very well. We could add a subordinator and have Bobby sang a song because he sings very well. Or we can use a semicolon instead of a comma and write Bobby sang a song, semicolon, he sings very well. Let's look at a run-on. Here we have Bobby sang a song, he sings very well. The only difference between a run-on and a comma splice is that a comma splice has a comma between the two independent clauses, and a run-on has no punctuation between the independent clauses. Here, you'll notice we have two independent clauses and no punctuation in between. We can fix this error in the same way that we fix a comma splice. Now, let's look at fragments. An example of a fragment is because Bobby likes to sing, which has only a dependent clause. You'll remember from modules 3, 4, and 5 that we can't have a dependent clause all by itself as a sentence. We can fix this by adding an independent clause. We could write Bobby sang a song because he likes to sing, or because Bobby likes to sing, he sang a song. Now, let's practice. For this exercise, I would like you to correct these three sentences, all of which are comma splices, run-ons, or fragments. Please be aware that there may be more than one way to correct each sentence. Pause the video while you write your answers on a sheet of paper. Press the play button when you are finished to see the correct answers. Okay, now let's go over the answers. Our first sentence, because Bobby likes to sing, is a fragment. In order to fix it, we have to add an independent clause. So we could write, because Bobby likes to sing, he goes to karaoke. Of course, we could also write, Bobby goes to karaoke because he likes to sing. The second sentence, Bobby likes to sing, Lisa likes to dance, is a run-on, because it has two independent clauses with no punctuation in between them. In order to fix this, we can add a comma and a coordinating conjunction and write Bobby likes to sing, comma, but Lisa likes to dance. In our third sentence, we have Bobby sings every day, Lisa dances every night. This is a comma splice because we have two independent clauses split by only a comma. In order to fix this, we can add a coordinating conjunction and write Bobby sings every day, comma, and Lisa dances every night. This concludes our presentation on comma splices, run-ons, and fragments. Remember, if you need additional help, you can always schedule a language support tutoring appointment through the Drexel ELC at the link listed here. Thanks for watching.